Today I like to talk about the 11 best acrylic paint brands of 2020. 1. For beginners, Winsor & Newton Artist Acrylics. W&N launched this range of acrylic in January 2009 to replace their Finity series. It is indeed a different product, having a longer working time up to half an hour, a minimal shift from wet to dry, and satin finish rather than gloss. 2. For impasto or thick and knife painting, LIQUITEX acrylics. LIQUITEX heavy body professional artist colors is a well-known favorite. The paint's consistency is quite buttery and sticky, so great for using with a knife, and paint come in plastic tubes which are incredibly robust. 3. For glazing and blending, SENNELIER acrylics. SENNELIER makes fast-drying acrylics with a consistency that's on the soft side of buttery. The colors are strong and saturated, and mixing is easy because of soft consistency of the paint. 4. For vibrant colors, Golden Artist Colors Heavy Body Acrylics. Golden is an American company created specifically to produce top-quality acrylic paints for artists. They provide a range of vibrant colors, including an extremely useful set of neutral grays. The paint consistency is like smooth, soft butter, which can be thinned down for glazes easily and dries rapidly. For serious impasto, you will most likely want to add some medium. Golden produces a range of options, including gels and molding paste. Golden also produces fluid acrylics, an ultra-fluid acrylic called High Flow, a heavy body matte acrylic, and a slow drying acrylic called Open. 5. For oil painters, Golden's Open Acrylics. Launched in mid-2008, Golden's Open Acrylics have an extended drying time, making them the most comparable to oil paints among all acrylic paints. Open acrylics stay workable on a normal palette for hours rather than minutes, eliminating the need for a moisture-retaining palette. 6. For color-rich painting, M. Graham & Co. Acrylics. M. Graham & Co.'s paints have a high pigment loading so that the colors are intense. The colors are sometimes very strong and saturated and blend together beautifully. If you were used to working in oils and wanted to swap to acrylics, this would be a brand to try for the rich colors and slightly thicker consistency. 7. For watercolor artist, ATELIER Interactive Acrylics. The special feature of these acrylic paints is that, according to the manufacturer, they don't form a skin as they dry, so you can rehydrate them to keep working wet by spraying some water on the paint or using a wet brush. This means it is possible to work back into the paint with a wet brush, which makes the blending colors less of an urgency and easier. 8. For background painting, Daler-Rowney Acrylics. As Daler-Rowney artist quality paints are generally cheaper than Golden, LIQUITEX or Winsor & Newton. They are useful if you have a large area to cover, especially in an underpainting. Some colors. 9. For kids, Matisse Structure Formula Acrylics. Matisse Structure paint is a typical acrylic paint that does what you would expect from a decent artist quality acrylics. Probably the one unexpected thing about it is that it's made in Australia and has some unique color names such as Southern Ocean Blue or Australia Sky Blue. It has a soft consistency that will hold brush marks if you used undiluted straight from the tube. 10. Honorable mention, Utrecht Acrylics. This is an American brand of paint which seems to be distributed only in the US. The paint is thickly buttery but spreads easily when diluted. The colors are what you would expect from an artist-grade paint, saturated with good tinting or covering strength depending on what color it is. If it's one of the options at your local store, it's worth considering. 11. For a limited budget, Winsor & Newton Galleria Flow Formula. Winsor & Newton Galleria brand is an affordable or student grade of paint that has good strength in colors and work easily, though you will have to add texture paste if you want too thick paint as it's soft and it does not put you huge dent in your pocket.